Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am here with the Total Darkness package from Manta Sleep, the mask company. So we're just going to open it and go through it. This is for us industrial strength nappers. So let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing we see here is Proudly Pro Nap. We have a little welcome kit here. Thank you for being part of the Pro Nap movement. We're so happy to have you. And here it's going to go through all the contents. I'm not going to read them out, but let's roll. So first of all, it's got a little kind of selfie stick. That's a nice touch there for the recordings. This here is the official Slamper Manta sleep mask. That's the kind of stock standard. And then under here, we have the weighted head strap. This is for anxiety and kind of migraines and stuff. I'm not sure if you've heard about weighted blankets, but that's pretty cool. Let's go to a different level here. Okay, now we have the Max eye cups. These are for long lashes like myself. We have the warm eye cups and we have the cool eye cups. This one goes in the fridge. This one goes in the microwave or oven. Don't try this at home. We have the slim head strap. I guess that's the ultra portable edition. Now we have a different level. Let's go. The aroma head strap with lavender for aromatherapy, and the masterpiece, the silk edition, silky soft. That's for the luxury edition, I guess, and that silky feeling. So that's the kit, guys. Thank you, Manta. I'm going to be diving into these. I've already been using the Pro, and I gotta tell you, it's a masterpiece. So thanks, Manta. Love you. Mwah.